Salam hello, salam Ramadan. Tersambung ke part 2.
Turkish and all that, and then they brought Islam, to this part of the world. Then afterwards we have all the Portuguese, the Peranakan, and so forth. I think nowhere else in the world is any country, like for that matter, has so much at the table, out there, tepi jalan, all that. So that's why it's important for kita to showcase all makanan-makanan heritage kita, makanan warisan kita, supaya makanan ini dapat dinikmati oleh semua rakyat Malaysia. At the same time, while we are doing all this food, I always tell chef semua, I have this motto in me: good, better, best. Till good be better, I never rest. And so they should also be doing the same thing, and always trying to create new menu and develop new taste and flavor, and also bring in all the makanan-makanan warisan lama-lama, sajian Istana Melayu, makanan-makanan yang dah kata pupus, lost food and all that, to bring back so that everyone can still enjoy makanan tu without having the problem to go to Kedah ke, atau nak pergi Kelantan ke, nak pergi Terengganu ke, to enjoy all those food, because everything is here. And it's also a good challenge for all these chefs, because they are young, they can work, right? Tengok kau ada gigi ke? Bukan mulut sikit. Oh ada, senyum. Kita pilih chef pun bukan yang pergi makan saja tau. Kita pilih chef juga, mesti juga ada rupa lah kan, ada gigi. Diorang pun, all these young chef need to work hard. They also need to be challenged lah, so that they can also naikkan martabat makanan Melayu kita, makanan Malaysia kita, to improve, to bring our food at a better level lah, so that in the future kita tak malu. So ever since we started in restaurant, kita banyak orang-orang diplomats, embassy, all the corporate that come here, all the time, to entertain, and I can see the happiness in all their faces. And diorang pun kadang-kadang kata, wow, baguslah restoran Chef Wan ni, tak malu datang sini sebab nampak cantik, ada private room, and then kita can entertain quietly kan. Jadi kalau bawa girlfriend pun bini kita tak tengok, mistress pun bini kita tak nampak, ada private room, ada toilet lagi, and go to the toilet to kiss also, bila bawa mistress kan. All that lah, have you surprised that many things can happen in the restaurant, not just makan je kan. So that's why people have their private moment with family to celebrate birthday. I love it when I come on weekend, sometimes orang datang celebrate meja, sampai 30 meja, 40 sometimes, not just to celebrate the father punya anniversary, parents ke, and all that. So then you see people come together and all that, so that's nice, and they can enjoy the quality of food. So it's also for us to take the challenge that every time to do new menu, to excite our chefs also, so that we can bring new things, so that we also can train our young chef untuk belajar macam mana masak makanan-makanan daripada daerah-daerah lain. Because the effort you notice in this restaurant is not just about me. Yes, it's my brand name. Yes, many of the recipe is mine as well. But many of the recipe also, not many, some of the recipe is also part of the chef, kita punya head chef Zabidi, and his whole team that also sometimes curated, sometimes with me, because sometimes I also need to leave room, because kita dah buka 8 tahun. Sometimes I say, okay chef, I nak you buatkan sikit-sikit menu baru, then Zabidi will come up with all this interesting menu, and he's very creative, because we have the best group executive chef. Dia pun dah beberapa kali menang, anugerah best Malay chef dalam tourism macam-macam. So naturally we have a good team, working together, the best of the best. So we hope what we are going to feature hari ni, later whatever you want to ask me in the press conference, you can ask me. But meanwhile, I just want you to enjoy your makan, and just have a taste of whatever yang ada ni. And then kalau ada soalan, you can ask me, I'm here for you. And other than that, later we can talk, apa-apa soalan nak tanya. And so there's nothing else. I just like also to bagi tahu you as well, our buffet is always known for kata cantik lah, because makanan dalam the art of buffet presentation is not just about flavor. Kita juga ambil berat dari segi presentation, presentation tu penting, gubah-gubahan, jadi benda supaya orang nampak makanan tu menarik, orang nampak makanan tu fresh. So that's what we want to show to the people out there, that makanan kita berlainan daripada so many of all the other Malay restaurant, So you pay for good quality, tapi kadang-kadang kita ingat harga kita sangat berpatutan compared to all the expensive 5-star hotel that charge premium price. Tapi kadang-kadang dalam makan 10 dishes, 5 dishes, kita rasa semua tak sedap. Kita tinggal kat pinggan, tinggal. I sendiri experience before, and I'm like sampai tak nak pergi lagi buffet, because in the end like apa ni kan, tak sedap. Tapi kat sini saya dah tentu very particular that every makanan kita ambil tu mesti sedap. Kalau tak sedap, jangan letak kat menu. Saya cekik kau kasih mati. Ya, I tell my chef. Ya, so if you don't like the food, tak sedap, tak ni, don't serve to people. So you want to, because our chef pun macam saya juga, kita punya tasting bud ni dah kata 37 tahun. So we don't eat rubbish, okay? No, we eat all over the world. So we understand what quality food is all about. So that's why it's very important that D1 and the whole of our restaurants cafe continue to produce the best of the best. Yeah. So that we can always make sure that our customer leaves this place really happy lah. As I always believe, we work so hard, we put so much effort, we sacrifice so much of our time, none other than to give people nothing but the best. Yeah. So we want you to live with a big smile and happy, and that's it. Yeah. That's what food's all about. Yeah. So that's why we struggle, we work so hard. And stand on our feet all day. Ramadan kalau you tengok budak-budak kita kerja kesian. Kalau you tengok berapa ratus orang datang, macam orang buat kerja kahwin 500-600 satu hari pun orang kena kerja 3 hari nak masak. 3 hari nak masak untuk orang kerja kahwin 500-600. Diorang ni hari-hari. Ya, periuk kalau you tengok sampai kat bumbung dah. Sampai orang masuk pinggan pun kena ambil tengah malam pukul 1 another group pula to do all the dishes and all that. So if you go in, you like die lah, mati lah, This is all this. Because why? It's really big production. It's really not easy to produce sampai 200 lebih menu yang ada hari ni. So I hope I have shared enough with all of you what I feel about the buffet that we have. Bukan saja cantik, sedap, tapi juga menepati cita rasa rakyat Malaysia, dan juga kita cuba membagaikan every Ramadan sedikit kelainan that we have inside, to introduce the flavours of Malaysia. So here you have not just makanan street food, you have sajian Istana Melayu, the palace cuisine. We have variety of rice, variety of noodle, and we change them so that people can have so many different things lah, and they can appreciate apa Malaysia has best to offer in this country. And thank you so much. Selamat menjamu selera. Lama kau bisa kami?
Tak, okey kali ni.
Tarik nafas lah. Apa lah. Aku tokek tau. Kan sekali aku dah.
Thank you, Dato' Syafwan.
Kan? Betul tak?
Ladies and gentlemen.